Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Are you ready to join me on a serene stroll along one of Barcelona's most famous beaches? In this video, we'll be exploring the beautiful Barceloneta Beach, walking along the sandy shores, and taking in the stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. But before we start, please make sure to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video. Now let's get started. As we begin our walk, the first thing that strikes me is the clean, clear water of the sea, which sparkles under the bright sun. The white sand under my feet is warm and soft, making me feel instantly relaxed and at peace. Barceloneta Beach is a popular spot among tourists and locals alike. It's easy to see why with its bustling promenade.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
Restaurants and bars, and variety of water sports activities. As we walk along the beach, we can see the iconic W Hotel standing tall in the distance. This luxurious hotel is a popular landmark in Barcelona and offers a breathtaking view of the sea. We passed by groups of people playing beach volleyball, families building sandcastles, and couples enjoying a romantic stroll. I hope you enjoyed this peaceful and serene journey along Barceloneta Beach. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below on what you like the most about this video. Yes?
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!